Alright, payment is good. Thank you, Sketch. This is a personal box break of 2013 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection football. Box number 13. We're about to pull something. Maybe a Barry Sanders auto or something like that. Let's do it. Good luck, sir. I got 7 more of these. I had them in the store as a 3-box, 20 letters on the next one, but whatever works. Mike, you here or what? We need some extra excitement when you hit your card here. He might be getting his hair cut. He said with his new computer he can hear me all the way across the room, so we'll see. 8-way auto, huh? I didn't even know they had those. I thought they were duals, triples. Alright, well, we're not going to wait for Mike. Well, I know you're going to like the 1 card. I'm pretty sure. So let's see. Alright. First up, I think this guy is the main guy there now, so this might actually hold a little value for a base rookie. Your base rookie, 98 of 99. Joseph Randall. I think they might cut McFadden loose, right? I don't know. All right. Uh-oh. Not bad. As long as the. All right, you got a couple months on this redemption for the expiration. You got a redemption, sir. All right, look, it's numbered to 199. 199. Pretty good player. Signatures tier 2 to 199. Keenan Allen. Keenan Allen to 199. There you go. It's not a bad one. So you got 3 hits. 3 wow, what is this thing? I'm not too familiar with this guy. This is pretty old school. 14 of 15. 14 of 15 for LSU Super Jersey Auto. On card with inscription 20. 14 of 15 for Billy Cannon. Not bad, huh? 14 of 15. And I'm pretty sure you collect the next guy. Pretty sure you collect this guy. Pretty nice patch. Dual patch, 3 color, numbered to 60. 04 of 60. D-Hop. Nice patch. Real nice patch. 04 of 60. Pretty good box, huh? I like it. You got a PC card, you got a number to 15 auto patch, and you got a Keenan Allen rookie auto redemption. Plus you got the yeah, on the Hopkins, that would have been nice. Plus you got the one of the better base rookies probably. Randall's pretty good. Not a bad 4-card box, sir. Thank you for the break. Let me know if you want any more.